Hello everyone, if you want to open a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat, it's very simple. First open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer. Once it loads, you will see the home screen. Now make sure to move the cursor towards the create button given at the top left corner and it will show different options. From here, click open files and this opens a file explorer window. Next, browse to the location where the PDF files is located. Once you find the PDF file, click on it once to select it or you can just double tap on it and it will successfully open within the Adobe Acrobat. And now you can start reading, zooming in and out, printing as well as use other tools. The another quick way is you can just simply go to the PDF location, then right click the PDF file on your computer. Within it, move the cursor towards open with and it shows different options. From here, move the cursor towards the Adobe Acrobat and once you tap on it, it will successfully open within the Adobe Acrobat account and that's it. That's how you can open a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.